Welcome learners to Sarthak Education Channel. This is CDPatel Digital Room for Android session. Today we are going to run our project. Let's us open Android Studio. Have you remember steps? Okay, start menu, select Android Studio. Please wait. Untick the show tips on startup that will play from. Untick the show tips on startup that will never display from next time. Right now, we are click on close button. Let's us click on run app button or green color play button. In the screen, no USB devices or running emulators detected. Today's, we are going to understand basic 3 terms overviews. 1 Android debug bridge. Emulator. 3 Android virtual device. First term is ADB. ADB stands for Android Debug Bridge. It is a tool used for communicate with a device. It is client-server program with 3 components. A client which sends commands. A daemon, app, runs command on device as background process. A server which manage communication between client and daemon as background process. Provides facilities. Device actions such as installing, debugging, Unix shell. Let's see how ADB works. There are main 2 parts. Android. It is ADB daemon device, in short called ADBD. It will send command through protocol and port, for example, TCP and 5555. USB stands for Universal Serial Bus. 2 host. It has main 2 sub-parts. Server and client. A server which manage communication between client and daemon as background process. It is also called as ADB or ADB server. Client can be terminal or Android Studio. Second term is emulator. The emulator has all kinds capabilities just as real Android device. The emulator has all kinds capabilities just as real Android device. For example, phone calls, text messages, location of the device, Google Play Store, and much more. Testing your app on the emulator is very faster and easier. The emulator comes with predefined configurations for various Android phone, tablet, Wear OS, and Android TV devices. Each instance of the Android emulator uses an AVD. Third term is emulator. AVD stands for Android Virtual Devices. To effectively test your app, you should create an AVD. To create and manage AVDs, use the AVD Manager. Each AVD work as independent device. It has private storage for user data, SD card, and so on. When you launch the emulator, it loads the user data and SD card data from the AVD directory. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get update. Thank you very much and enjoy the day.